today I am going to be playing some work at a pizza place. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Ooh la la. See, this is Mama Nat. See this? This is my bike trophy. I'm going to get on my glider. And goodbye. Da 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 da. Whoa. I'm gonna go up to it. I was gonna go to my job, but why not? Let's just break into someone's house. Yeah, like that's any better than doing a job. Yeah, hello? Oh, find another way in, I guess. Is there a balcony? Nope. Is there a balcony? If there is, I'll just glide up to it. Yes, there's a balcony. Yes. Oh. There's nothing at the balcony. I don't have. Well, looks like this isn't gonna work. So let's go to the pizza place. A normal person would take a car, but I'm on Oliver. Oliver is not normal, so I'm gonna take a glider. So let's go. Wait, I've gone to the wrong place. Am I? Oh, I know I'm not. What am I going to be? I'm going to be a truck driver. Right. So, let me get in this truck. I'm going. Da 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 da. Why is it still snowing? It's January. I mean February. It's February 2nd. Here to get this truck loaded up. Do, 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 This is gonna take a while. Da 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 Right. How much is in there? Ooh, I'm gonna go now. Right. Let's go. The first time I literally did this, I had no idea what I was doing, so instead of noticing that a lever was there and clicking the button, do you know what I did? I just... It's so annoying. I just grabbed it and started throwing it in. Uh-oh. 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 Oh well. Wow. I'm gonna get in. Move out the way. Right, wrong way. So, uh-oh. I am the worst. Why are you in the truck with me? Oh well, right. I am gonna get out, and now that I know what to do, I'm gonna do that. E. In they go. In they go. In they go. Thank you. Well, there's someone in my car, so I'm just gonna... Can you stop staring at me? Right, I'm so short. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh. Goodbye, trees. Cash me outside, how many? Let's go. I'm gonna get in the truckity, truckity, choo-choo, truck. Uh-oh. Well, time to fill up on some cheese. Some blue things. Oh. This is a lot of stuff. Let's fill this truck up. Truck up. Truck up. Truck up. Truck up. I'm going to drive it. Let's go. Can you please stop staring at me? Oh well. Why am I such a bad driver? I'm doing this on purpose. Or am I? Yes, I am. Well, he's gone. No, he isn't. He's on the stoop. Uh-oh. 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 This is bad. Someone help. Oh. I think I messed up. Well. Let's take the truck with me. Uh-oh. Ah! My truck is about to tip over. How did I make that? I thought my truck would have tripped over. Let's see if I can get it. Ooh. Thank you, I guess. Whoever put this in. Right. Let's turn around. Incoming. What the? I want to drive. Oh, that's good. I'm going to shut the truck and do. I'm gonna go to the shop. Oh, I'm gonna do a parade. Oh. Just upgrading. Why am I spending all my money on this? I have no idea. I want to get to that 2-story. I'm not going to spend any more. Now, let's get back to what we were doing. What the? I'm gonna fill this up quick. Fill. What? Who overflowed this? I'm gonna have a bath in this. Ooh, that sounds quite nice actually. I'm gonna do that. Oh yes, living the life. Right. I might get fired. I'm gonna carry on with my job. Merry Christmas, it's not Christmas anymore. No, that is my home. Oh, uh-oh. Wunda Santa. Ooh, I got an idea. Because I'm getting bored, I'm going to try and fill the truck up. Filling up my truck with all the blocks. Well, not all of them, but as much as I can. I don't think this is going to stay. Uh-oh. Blocks again, fragile. It's just... yeah, they'll fit. Let me just shove them all in. Yeah, this will fit. Oh, great plan ever. You deserve an Oscar, Oliver. Great. Thinking ahead here on the Oliver and the Bros channel. This will work. Wow, I've nearly done it. The truck doesn't look that full. I can fit a bit more. Someone's taking away with my truck. Come back. No, I'm gonna dump these all out if you don't stop. Well, anyway, I'm gonna drive back. Let's see how much this can hold. Oh, that is a big fall. I'm gonna put a bit more in, aka all of it. Ooh, paycheck. I'm broke, so I need this. This is what a normal human would do. Hooray! Yay! I deserve an Oscar. Wow. Great, let's go. What the? Oh. Bye. Let's go! Uh-oh. Ingredients are flying out. Uh-oh. I'm gonna drive very slowly. Get there quick before they all fall out. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh. No, you are staying in. Quick, make it. Oh, I forgot I have to reverse. Turn. Please don't fall out. Please don't fall out. Please don't fall out. How many boxes of food and drinks have I wasted? Nope. Hey, that's my job to dump. There we go. Well, he just took off my truck. And on that note, right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!